Hey guys, today I can show you how you can install Git on your PC. Just go to your browser and search Git and hit enter. And then go to the official website and then click on download for Windows. And then click here to download. Our downloading has been started. Just wait for a minute. And then click on open. And then click on next. Choose the location in which you want to install the Git. I am choosing a C drive. And then click on next. And select additional icons. And click on next. And then click on next. In this option, we can select which editor we want in the Git editor. You can select any of these. I am selecting as the Vim. You can also select Visual Studio Code as a default Git editor. And then click on next. And then next. And use recommended setting. And then next. And use bundled open SSH. And then click on next. Next. And next. Use fast forward or merge. And then click on next. And then click on next. And install. And then click on finish. As you can see, Git is installed in our PC. Do one more step. Go to search option and search command prompt and type git and hit enter. From this command, we get to know that our Git is correctly installed in our PC. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and goodbye.